Did you go to the store with Mommy today? Claire? No. Did you go out to dinner with Mommy and Daddy? Hey. Did you go out? No? Did you play with your toys today?
No, not much fun.
Did you play with your toys today?
You know what?
Tell me, did you play with your toys today? No? Did you wear a diaper today? No? Did you go outside? Did you go outside? Where? Did you go outside? Yes or no? No? You're being silly. You're a silly girl. You are so silly being silly. Saying no. You did all those things. You did all those things today. No? Do you love Mommy? Say yes. Yes, you love Mommy. Do you love Daddy? Do you love Daddy? Say yes, you love Daddy. I'm gonna eat Mama's fingers. Eat Mama's fingers. What do you say? Tell me. Tell me. Tell me something. What do you tell me? No. What do you tell Daddy? What can you tell Daddy? What do you say? No. What do you tell Daddy?
What do you say?
What do you say? Mwah. Mwah. What do you say? No. You ready for night-night? Are you ready for night-night, Claire? You ready for night-night? No, you're funny.